Okay, so what is a GPS? A GPS is a global positioning system. And you can reach right up here. It takes just a moment for it to fire up. We're using a Street Pilot 2720 today. It's made by Garmin. I prefer the Garmins. I've had them for years. Back when they used to be just monochrome. Now they're in color and they talk to you. They're find your locations on the side of the road in the parking lot safely before you go. Okay, so when it fires up, you have an option where to or to preview map. And just for ambience, we're just going to hit preview map. Actually, the GPS is relied upon by the military in boats, motorcycles, cars, semi-trucks, you name it, planes and trains. How we ever got by without it, I'm not really sure.